Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to block a contact in WhatsApp Web. Blocking a contact can help you maintain your privacy and prevent unwanted interactions. In this video, we will guide you through the simple steps to block a contact in WhatsApp Web. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your computer. Launch the application and ensure that you are logged into your account. Step 2. Locate the three dots icon in the top right corner of the screen. This icon represents the settings menu in WhatsApp Web. Step 3. Click on the three dots icon to expand the settings menu. A drop-down list will appear. Step 4. From the drop-down list, click on Settings. This will open the settings page where you can customize various aspects of WhatsApp. Step 5. In the settings page, locate and click on Privacy. This will open the privacy settings. Step 6. Within the privacy settings, find and click on Blocked Contacts. This will display a list of contacts that you have already blocked. Step 7. To add a new blocked contact, click on Add Blocked Contact. A search window will appear. Step 8. From the search window, select the contact you want to block. You can search for the contact by name or phone number. Congratulations! You have successfully blocked a contact in WhatsApp Web. Conclusion. Blocking a contact in WhatsApp Web is an effective way to maintain your privacy and avoid unwanted interactions. Follow these easy steps to block any contact that you wish to avoid. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, and enjoy blocking contacts in WhatsApp Web. Note: the information provided in this video is accurate at the time of recording. WhatsApp may update its features and interface, so please refer to the latest version of WhatsApp for any changes.